We are heading to Michigan for vacation. Our rental car is quite interesting. The gear actually is a knob. It also has steering wheel heating. The first stop is Bay City. This is a very nice restaurant. I would recommend. Very delicious food.
Maybe you guys were on vacation or something. I don't know. I know, and that's why I was thinking that.
The hotel we stay in Midland is really nice. Has a hot tub, there's inside part and there's outside part. When it's snowing, it's really fun to stay outside. Another nice restaurant actually is inside this hotel. Very delicious food too. We are heading to Sault Ste. Marie, a border town between US and Canada. This is a Mackinac Island. Here's the border. Unfortunately, Canadian government asked PCR test within 3 days, so we have to turn around. We don't have the test. Another side actually you can see that's Canada. Quite windy and cold.
Towers of History. There is a Catholic church nearby.
Here has a huge casino.
It's really big. The hotel we stay in Sault Ste. Marie has a actually pancake machine. You can just push a button and the fresh cake come out. This actually it's a Canadian chain restaurant.
Take sourdough.
She's going to take a ski lesson. She has never done this before. So she's doing well. She's doing excellent job after 1 hour lesson.